Okay, hey YouTube, I'm back. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button while I'm priming my face. First, we're going to go in with the eyebrows. Now, you want to take your time with eyebrows. Everybody does their eyebrows different, but this is definitely one of the longer time-consuming parts to doing your makeup. As you can see, I lined them first, and then I went in with the spoolie in the beginning, and then just fluffed it out so I didn't draw all the way through. I change up my brow technique depending on what I like. So now I'm going in with my LA Pro Girl concealer, of course, and that is in light beige, as I mentioned, and I will leave the information below as well. But I'm just going in with my LA Pro Girl and just lining my brows up before I could clean them up. And at the top, we're going in with the Fawn, and as you can see, I'm just outlining my brow. Now I'm going in with a flat brush, a e.l.f. flat brush, and just smoothing it all out. And it's all about the flick of the wrist. I keep telling people, but they don't believe me. Now I'm just taking my beauty blender and blending that all in. Then I'm going in my Milani concealer. That's beige, I believe, 135. Now we're going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. And I just started doing this for my natural look. So this is going to be like a more natural look tutorial. Hey girl, hey. But no, so I'm going in with my Fenty. I just want a little bit of shimmer on my lid. So I'm just, that's cute. Now I'm going in with my liquid liner, and you want to be careful. I'm still in the process of learning liners. I do it better on my clients better than I do it on myself. It's weird, but yeah, you definitely want to take your time out. You see how I went, just dragged it over first. I don't actually recommend that. I recommend starting from the middle and then going to the end, because it all comes together like that. And I don't like a too thick of a liner, so yeah. But now I'm just going in with my MAC foundation, and now we're concealing under the eyes. And again, you want to just make sure you have enough concealer. I love the LA Pro Girl concealer. I don't know why I was listening to y'all, but I just want that to look all like snatched, honey, like snatching edges. You know what I'm saying? It just looks so clean and so pretty. We're back with my Mahogany Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. And this is something new I actually got, and I love it already. Now we're going in with our MAC press powder, and I'm just rubbing it all in. I do not like harsh lines. Harsh lines and me do not mix. Now we're going in with our under eye with the Revolution banana powder. And that's just to set our under eye and our nose. Hey girl, hey cute, I know. Now we're going in with our brush, and just to brush that away, because I do not like baking for that long. I don't need to bake for that long. It's not necessary. Let's get that off of you, girl. Yes, girl, yes, you looking good. No dry lips over here. My lip gloss is popping. This is my blush that we're putting on. Now we're setting the spray with some NYX matte finish spray. And of course, our little handy dandy fan. Now I stopped midway to go ahead and press the rest of the setting spray in. I'm sorry. Now I'm going in with my Fenty Hustler Baby, and that's our highlight for today or tonight, whatever time you're watching, or in the morning. Oh, hey girl. Ugh, fix it, Jesus. Oh, she fixed. Hey. And this is where I almost lost my mind. No more hang-on! It's all good because we're back now. Now look at that. That came together. This is a natural slay. I wear this for my everyday look. I love it. And it's just cute, natural, and popping. So please subscribe.